Watching an experienced woodturner develop and form an skew-side bowl, spindle or other turning from a block of raw wood can be inspiring and in some cases intimidating sight. But learning the basics of wood turning isn't difficult. After you know how to use your lathe safely and the techniques for using each tool, it becomes a matter of practice. While wood turning technically falls under the umbrella of woodworking, it is often considered a completely different craft. Woodturners tend to be devoted to their craft, and many have little, if any, interest in other traditional fine woodworking skills, since there is almost no end the projects that can be created on a lathe alone with the proper tools and techniques. Woodturning is the process of curving a block of wood into a symmetrical object, such as a wood spindle or bowl, while using a motor-driven lathe to spin the wood at high speed, while cutting tools, including a variety of chisels and knives, gradually curve the piece into the desired shape. When turning a block of wood into a spindle, there is no end to the creativity that's possible, but no matter how elaborate the final shape, these profiles usually consist of a fairly small number of basic common cuts put together in different combinations. To create the most common cuts, square cuts, V-grooves, fillets and coves, you really only need 4 types of tools, along with your lathe, of course. Practice these various profiles using the tools required to cut them on your wood lathe. Most wood-turning projects on a lathe are started by using a roughing gouge to create the basic shape, whether spindle, bowl, bottle stopper or nearly any other wood-turning project. The roughing gouge is a very versatile gouge, but it must be used properly and safely in order to get good results. The first step in learning the craft of wood-turning is practicing with a roughing gouge. Few wood-turning tools can be as dangerous as the skew chisels. Sometimes used for making square grooves, it can also plane and shape many other profiles. However, the skew chisel's propensity for grabbing means that the woodturner must use the proper safety precautions to keep from getting into trouble with one in their hands. The parting tool is a specialty wood-turning tool that is commonly used to separate a finished turning from the rest of the stock, separating the stock into 2 parts, hence the name parting tools. However, it can also be used for other tasks, such as cutting square-shaped grooves in a spindle. Many woodworkers use a lathe to turn spindles and bolts, but did you know that you can use your lathe and the corresponding hand tools to cut oval-shaped hammer handles? If you break the wooden handle on your favorite hammer, don't throw the head away. Get a nice piece of hardwood and head to the lathe to form a new hammer handle to your liking. Thanks for watching. Until next time.